It's game day tonight as the Bulldogs will play Colgate on the road right here in Hamilton, New York. Puck drops at 7 p.m. Early in the week, we previewed the goaltenders, the defensemen, the forwards, and now we're going to preview the freshmen. Alongside Associate Head Coach Drew Famulak. Drew, first off, new season in the WCHA. How excited are you guys to get ready to go?
Very exciting. It's October. It's time to drop the puck, and we're looking forward to being on the road. Obviously, Colgate's it's going to be a hostile environment. We've had games with them in the past, and they're really good. They're young, but like I said, they got a lot of talent on that team.
You guys bring in 7 freshmen, 5 forwards, 1 defenseman, a heavy loaded forward class. If you could take us through the 5 forwards you brought in.
Well, we lost the last couple of years, with the bonuses, the Willettes, the Alexanders, the Kersingers. We had to replace not only minutes, but we have to replace some big minutes in terms of power play, penalty killing, and 5-on-5. So the kids that we brought in, they've got a resume. They've played on winning teams. They're talented. What they need to do now is, learn how to play at the pace, and then obviously, how to play one-on-one, some puck battles, in order to make sure that those offensive skills shine.
You mentioned play at the pace. Is that usually the toughest transition for freshmen coming in from the junior level, now playing at the collegiate level? The speed and the pace of the game and the strength?
It is. The two biggest things is, one is definitely the strength. And I thought they've adjusted. In terms of we're limited right now with what's going on, but overall their conditioning levels are above average. So, but they're going to have to learn how to win some puck battles down low, how to free up some time and space that maybe they had last year, but at this level, they're going to have to continue to move pucks and then, like I said, play with the pace that they're going to need to score at this level.
Here, Jared Van Wormer. Jared, first off, welcome to Fair State. What made you choose FSU?
They kind of chose me. I live in Traverse City, so it's close to home, and I just felt like it was a good fit. Their program's on the rise, and I'm just looking forward to my 4 years here.
Coming from junior hockey, what do you think that for yourself the biggest transition would be to come to the collegiate ranks?
Just in the practice, it's the speed, the size. Everyone works hard, great work ethic. So it's a little jump, but it's gonna be a good one. So
here, Chad McDonald. Chad, first off, welcome to Fair State. What's your favorite thing about Fair so far?
Just the guys here. They got us right into the group right away. There's no cliques or anything like here. You feel comfortable going to any of the guys and asking them, the Fair State way. So
I asked a couple of the other freshmen. For yourself, what do you think the biggest transition would be from the junior ranks now playing at the collegiate level?
Well, bigger, faster, stronger. Everyone labels it at that. Mainly, it's more the whole mental side of it. Everyone that's here is able to play and able to play at a high level. And the way that they present themselves day in and day out. You come here, there's no days off. You could have a bad practice and be out of the lineup the next night. You got to be perfect every night that you come here and every day that you come here. And it's a lifestyle here. It's not just you don't just show up to play. You're here to work. So
your recruiting class will be the first recruiting class to start off the new era of Fair State hockey in the WCHA. How excited are you guys for that?
We're excited for it. Write a new chapter in the Fair State hockey book that has had plenty of great other ones. So we're definitely excited.
Here with Seth Adams. Seth, Big Rapids local. First off, welcome to Fair State.
Thank you.
What was it like when Fair State started recruiting you, being from Big Rapids? Was it always a dream of yours to come and don the Bulldog sweater?
It was always exciting to play for the Bulldogs. That was always the dream and the goal to get here. And now that I'm here, it's just got to get on the ice and put up some points and help the team however I can.
For yourself, what do you think the biggest transition is going to be coming from the junior ranks now to the collegiate level?
It's always that the kids are just bigger, stronger, faster. The game is much faster here, and you just got to be able to keep up, get the pucks out, get the pucks in, and just work hard.
We've done the forwards, we've done the defensemen, we've done the goalies, and we just concluded with the freshmen. Game day's here, puck drop, 7 p.m. The Bulldogs on the road to take on Colgate. Listen live on Sunny 97.3 FM or visit FairStateBulldogs.com for stats, scores, merchandise, and everything you need to know about Bulldog hockey.